Welcome back to Homes Decor Designs, your go-to source for all things home decor and design. Today, we're delving into a topic that's not only aesthetically rewarding but also environmentally conscious: the Xeriscape Garden Landscaping ideas. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. As experts in home design, we understand that your outdoor spaces are just as crucial as your interiors. This video will provide you with a definitive guide to creating a beautiful, sustainable, and water-efficient garden that enhances your property's value and appeal. Let's begin by defining our subject. When we discuss Xeriscape Garden Landscaping, we are referring to a specific method of landscaping that prioritizes water conservation. The term xeriscape originates from the Greek word xeros, meaning dry, and scape, meaning view or scene. This approach is not merely about planting succulents or creating a desert-like environment. Rather, it is a comprehensive set of 7 principles designed to reduce or eliminate the need for supplemental irrigation. These principles include proper planning and design, soil improvement, efficient irrigation, appropriate plant selection, mulching, turf reduction, and ongoing maintenance. The goal is to create a landscape that thrives with minimal water, often relying on natural rainfall once established, while still offering significant aesthetic appeal and functionality. It is a smart, sustainable choice for any homeowner looking to reduce their environmental footprint and save on water bills. Now, let's explore the substantial advantages of embracing xeriscape gardening. The benefits extend far beyond mere water savings, although that is certainly a primary driver. Firstly, and perhaps most evidently, is the drastic reduction in water consumption. This translates directly into lower utility bills, which is a tangible financial benefit for homeowners over time. Secondly, xeriscaping significantly lowers maintenance requirements. With plants selected for their drought tolerance and adaptability, you'll spend less time watering, fertilizing, and pruning. This frees up valuable time and reduces the need for costly garden services. Thirdly, these gardens are inherently more resilient. They are designed to withstand periods of drought and extreme heat, making them a robust and reliable landscaping solution, especially in regions prone to water restrictions or arid climates. Fourthly, xeriscaping promotes biodiversity by creating habitats for local wildlife, such as birds and beneficial insects, contributing positively to the ecosystem. Finally, a well-designed xeriscape garden can significantly enhance your property's curb appeal and market value. It showcases a forward-thinking approach to landscaping that is increasingly valued by prospective buyers. A common misconception is that xeriscape gardens are barren or lack visual interest. On the contrary, with thoughtful design, they can be incredibly beautiful and diverse. The key to decorating your xeriscape garden to look exceptional lies in strategic plant selection, material choices, and the incorporation of hardscaping elements. Begin by focusing on varying textures, colors, and heights with your plant choices. Combine spiky agaves with soft ornamental grasses, or vibrant sedums with muted gray-leaved shrubs. Utilize hardscaping materials like natural stone, decomposed granite, or permeable pavers to create pathways, patios, and focal points. These elements not only add structure and definition but also reduce the need for thirsty turf. Incorporate decorative rocks, boulders, and repurposed architectural salvage to introduce visual interest and artistic flair. Consider adding a water feature, such as a small, recirculating fountain, which, despite using water, can create a soothing atmosphere without significant water loss through evaporation, especially when designed with minimal open water surface. Thoughtful lighting can also transform your xeriscape at night, highlighting specific plants or architectural features. Remember, the goal is to create layers of interest, both visually and texturally, to ensure your garden is captivating throughout the year. The success of your xeriscape garden heavily relies on selecting the right plants. Fortunately, there is a vast array of beautiful and drought-tolerant species available that can thrive in various climates. The best plants will ultimately depend on your specific climate zone, soil type, and aesthetic preferences, but here are some general categories and examples to consider. Succulents and cacti are quintessential xeriscape plants, known for their ability to store water. Examples include various species of sedum, sempervivum, agave, and yucca. Ornamental grasses provide texture, movement, and often year-round interest. Look for varieties such as blue fescue, little bluestem, or feather reed grass. Drought-tolerant shrubs and perennials offer structure and continuous blooms. Consider plants like lavender, salvia, rosemary, and various native shrub species that are adapted to your local conditions. Ground covers that spread and suppress weeds while requiring little water are also excellent choices, such as creeping thyme or various low-growing sedum varieties. Finally, don't overlook native trees and large shrubs that are naturally adapted to your region's rainfall patterns and soil conditions, providing shade and vertical interest without excessive irrigation. Always research plants that are specifically suited to your USDA hardiness zone or local climate. To inspire your own xeriscape transformation, here are 10 best Xeriscape garden landscaping ideas that showcase the versatility and beauty of water-wise landscaping. One, the modern desert oasis. This idea focuses on clean lines, geometric shapes, and a minimalist aesthetic. Utilize large, sculptural succulents like agave and yucca as focal points, complemented by gravel or decomposed granite pathways. Incorporate Corten steel planters or rusted metal art for an industrial chic touch. 2. Mediterranean-inspired courtyard. Evoke the charm of the Mediterranean with drought-tolerant herbs like lavender and rosemary, olive trees, and terracotta pots. Use warm-toned pavers or natural stone for pathways and patios. A small, bubbling fountain can add a soothing auditory element without significant water loss. 3. Native plant sanctuary. Focus on plants indigenous to your specific region. These plants are naturally adapted to local rainfall patterns and soil conditions, requiring minimal intervention once established. This approach also supports local wildlife and ecosystems. 4. Rock garden harmony. Emphasize the beauty of natural stone. Arrange various sizes and shapes of boulders and rocks to create a sense of scale and structure. Intersperse low-growing, creeping xeriscape plants that cascade over the rocks, such as sedum or creeping thyme. 5. Edible xeriscape. Combine beauty with productivity. Many herbs and some drought-tolerant vegetables thrive in xeriscape conditions. Think rosemary, thyme, oregano, and even certain varieties of peppers or tomatoes with careful planning and smart irrigation. 6. Artistic dry stream bed. Create the illusion of water with a meandering dry stream bed made from smooth, rounded river rocks and pebbles. This feature can help with drainage during rare downpours and adds a significant visual element to the landscape. 7. Contrasting textures and colors. Design a garden that plays with visual interest through a diverse selection of plants with varying leaf shapes, colors, and textures. Combine the spiky forms of agaves with the feathery softness of ornamental grasses, or the vibrant hues of sedums with the muted tones of silvery foliage. 8. Xeriscape front yard revival. Transform your front yard into a welcoming, low-maintenance showpiece. Replace thirsty lawn with drought-tolerant ground covers, ornamental grasses, and strategically placed shrubs and trees. This immediately boosts curb appeal and demonstrates water-wise living. 9. The pollinator paradise xeriscape. Design your garden to attract beneficial insects and pollinators. Select drought-tolerant plants known for their nectar and pollen, such as various salvias, penstemons, and native wildflowers. 10. Modern geometric xeriscape. This design uses strong lines and shapes to create a contemporary aesthetic. Think raised beds with clean edges, rectilinear pathways, and mass plantings of single plant varieties for a bold, architectural statement. Adopting Xeriscape Garden Landscaping is a powerful step towards a more sustainable and beautiful home. It offers a multitude of benefits, from significant water savings and reduced maintenance to enhanced aesthetic appeal and environmental responsibility. We encourage you to explore the principles we've discussed today and begin envisioning your own water-wise oasis. Your outdoor space is an extension of your home, and with thoughtful design, it can be both stunning and sustainable. We hope this guide has provided you with valuable insights and inspiration. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more expert tips on home decor and design, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our future content. We'd love to hear your thoughts and any Xeriscape experiences you've had in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.